You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero. You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
Hello guys, welcome again to the live stream. Today we are going to talk about something very interesting, of course Bitcoin as well, and also the market is crashing as expected. So okay, let's talk about the 4-hour chart. Yesterday I had a setup. Well, the setup was a fake out. Yeah, let me show you here. I said okay, we have in 4-hour chart a buy signal here. Yes, but I said if in the next 24 hours you don't see Bitcoin moving up, I mean testing the ME21 or ME55, get ready because you will see continuation. Okay, so the setup was here. Let me do this. Let me fix this. Yes, here. Okay, here. Yeah. So Bitcoin was in sideways here. After that got rejected here, and after that continuation. Yes. So this setup is just valid for 24 hours. So now makes sense. Continuation to the downside. Now what is the next target? Well, the problem here is like people are buying the dip, right? They are buying the dip because they are thinking, yeah, buy the dip. Yeah, of course, this is not a simple crash, my friend. Actually, we are facing potentially a scenario of capitulation right now. When I say capitulation, that means the bottom is in. No, I'm trying to set. I am expecting a massive move to the downside. Yes, it's gonna be significant. Why? Because finally we can see the resolution of this massive sideways market for almost, well, 1 year of price action. So on Bitcoin, for first time today closed the first body candle below $30,000. Yeah, so this is significant. It's the first time that happened since 2021. I mean, never. This is the first time. So of course, for market makers, people who wants to wait for the confirmation, this is of course continuation to the downside. So we don't have bullish variances here in OBB. I mean, ADX is still to the upside. It's 38 levels, so maybe other week maybe of downside. All this month actually, I'm expecting this gonna break. And now let's talk about the targets, right? Targets for this scenario is very simple. Actually, same as yesterday. Well, first of all, I am expecting around 26, 24 is going to be the first area. Short-term bounce, potentially maybe, but honestly, I don't think so. If we are going to face a capitulation phase right now, let me fix my technical analysis because I was expecting Bitcoin will be in sideways. I mean, something like this, right? That was my speculation in weekly chart. Yeah, and maybe in some point we will see the breakdown. Maybe I'm wrong with this. So if that is correct, because actually it looks like that, as you can see here, 24, 22, we will see potential bounce there, but I don't think so. There is no volume there. I am expecting a bounce maybe around $18,000. This could be possible, yes, because newbies will say, oh, the previous high, $20,000 all in, because that is the previous high, right? Well, there is no, at least with my system of trading, I cannot see anything to say Bitcoin is gonna hold $20,000. No. If I am right with this, and you see right now, today and this weekend, you will see this leg down. I will say the party is gonna start. Actually, started right, breaking $29,000. That's the last hope for bulls. Now people will start entering panic, and I am expecting a sell pressure right now. People just in panic selling, right? Because Bitcoin to zero, right? So that is gonna happen. There is a very high probability, maybe yes. And let me show you something. Okay, let's talk about potential targets. Well, first of all, here we have we have the ADX, the exponential moving average 21 on ME55. The slope is negative, so that means finally Bitcoin is getting ready to start trending. Actually, in this reaction here, yeah, in this reaction here, we have the slope negative here, and actually it's very powerful here, breaking the previous lows here in weekly chart. And also I'm gonna show you a very high time frame, like sometimes I like to watch. But let me show you here. Yeah, the $20,000, $29,000, and $30,000 was the key level in the year. I mean 2021. Breaking this level, well, the next area of demand is around $14,000. So in between this level, there is nothing to support the price of Bitcoin. That's why I'm expecting at least a week testing these areas. So right now, thinking about Bitcoin is gonna do something like that. Let's talk about the targets. Okay, weekly chart. Yeah, this is continuation. In weekly chart, $20,000, $18,000 is the first area I'm gonna start looking for. Yes, in weekly basis, of course, right? Maybe Bitcoin is gonna do something like Luna. It will be interesting. I don't know. But so the next target is gonna be between 14 and all this area. All this area is gonna be the area I'm gonna start looking for. And from here, I am expecting real panic in the markets. When you see real panic, when I say real panic, is when people, especially people from 2020, 2021, they will start capitulating because they don't have the experience, they don't know what they are doing, and well, they will sell everything right now in panic. Also, you are thinking, okay, this is the resolution. Yes, this is the resolution. Let me show you why. Okay, let me show you the logarithmic regression indicator here in weekly chart. As I said, any close below here, the zero line, the red line here around $30,000. Yeah. Let me show you what happened in the past. Yeah. When Bitcoin finally broke this level here. Well, actually, it's looking more like this level right now. You can see at least from this around 20% drop, and also let me show you here the previous example here. I think the market structure is looking right now more like this one. So from here, breaking this area, well, you can expect, well, this case was crazy, right? But you got the point, right? A massive crash. So it's looking like a weekly chart closing today below $30,000 was the biggest alarm, and you will see a continuation in today and all this week. Let me show you where I am thinking Bitcoin potentially will at least stop a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Weekly chart here. We have the moving average 200. Technically speaking, it was working very good in the previous cycles as the bottom of the market. Technically the bottom. Honestly, this time I don't think so. And the reason for this is very simple. In that time, the moving average 200 was very popular. Yeah, well, no, actually, it was not popular. People were not looking for this before. Now, 2022 is getting more popular. Like people are calling like this is gonna be the next big buy. So that's why I am expecting Bitcoin maybe will close about there, but I am expecting a massive week. For example, this testing here, testing this area around 22, 21, and you will see people buying here because the dip, right? The dip, and after that, a massive crash. The reason for this is because OBB is very clear. Look at this, Bitcoin is breaking $29,000, $30,000, and the OBB is just starting breaking the zero line. Yeah, I would say we are close to the bottom if I see the distance. I mean, a decent level, I mean, between the zero line and the negative slope, right? So, sorry, the negative area, something like this, right? I will say no, but this is just, it's about to start. So, be careful. I think this is not the best idea right now to start buying the dip because there is no dip, in my personal opinion. All the altcoins, you are thinking they are cheap? No, my friend, they are very expensive. Yeah, they are very expensive. And let me show you why. For example, Cardano. Remember, people call me crazy. Yeah, you are crazy. They block me from Discord. And now what? If you are watching this live stream, my friend, I told you. Yeah. I am not very. As a trader, I'm very proud of myself, honestly. as a trader, I'm very happy because finally my target hit 0.40. Remember, I set this target in 2021 November, and now what is happening? It's gonna hold? No way. Here, Cardano is not gonna hold, and you will see Cardano around 0.08, 0.10. That is the next target. And the reason for this is not, I mean, I'm not talking about altcoins. If you're thinking Cardano is cheap, no, my friend. The bottom for Cardano was around 0.02. So even with that crash, Cardano is 2000% up. So it's very expensive. It's still very expensive. It's still very expensive. So when I want to see the average crash for all the altcoins, like Luna, for example, they crash around 98%, 95, almost. I mean, the idea of the bear markets, my friends, is your first. Actually, I posted a poll in my Discord. Looks like the 90%, 98% of all the people, they are in is their first bear market. Bear markets are destructive. The first wave is one of the worst, yeah, because there is no support. You buy thinking like it's gonna hold. No, looks like just everything is crashing right now, and the idea is a business, okay? So you need to understand all the people who make money here, yeah, they never sold because Cardano to $10, right? Yeah, to the moon, right? They have this mentality. So market makers, I know this, right? So what they are doing? Well, very easy. They bought here and they are now cashing out around here, and now people are selling in panic. Now, the idea is like all the gains you made here in 2020, 2021, all of them, they will just gone. That is the idea of the bear markets, okay? Also, you keep buying the dip, the powerful DCA strategy, right? And well, the problem is like when you are doing this kind of, sorry, I don't want to be offensive or something like that, but this kind of silly things, you buy, for example, Cardano point. I will take an example of one YouTuber. He said he will buy $1 million around there, and he was doing this online. I mean, his videos. I wonder what happened with him, but he was saying, I bought Cardano at $2. Yeah, I bought a 50K. I bought Cardano at 1.60, other 50K, and so on, and so on, and so on. Well, in some point, this guy, maybe even he doesn't have any money right now, he invested everything right now here, and the market is just crashing after 50-60%. Okay, so when you see these kind of things, now okay, this is the bottom. Maybe no. Why? Because when you see the market crashing like this, you will not see a big bounce like this to the moon. No, the next phase of the market will come. What is the next phase? Sideways. You will see the crash here, yeah, sideways, and it's gonna be like a dead coin, sideways market, boring for many months. The volatilities come down, everything is gonna be like dead, technically dead, and just it's gonna crash everything. And after that, when people they are very pessimistic, they lose hope, is when the market is gonna reverse. Okay, so that is about psychology of trading. So please be careful with this. Okay, careful with this. Especially you are thinking you are buying the dip. Okay, now let's continue with Bitcoin. Bitcoin finally is breaking 28. We will see potentially capitulation in progress right now. I hope maybe in this live stream we can see my targets hit. Who knows? Let's see. Okay, so the same idea for Bitcoin, right? Remember, for Bitcoin, technically speaking, we have for first time in the history of this chart, because we can use the BLX, yeah? If we use MACD, RSI, whatever you want to use, there is a very high probability you will see a bear divergences in the monthly. For first time in the history, Bitcoin has these bear divergences. I mean, in the previous cycles here, 2016, 2018, we didn't have this. Now we have from this point and this point in bi-monthly, and from this point and this point in monthly. So we have different bear divergences in macro time frames. So what does that mean? I really want to be bullish for Bitcoin, yeah, because the trend is my friend, and as long as the trend is to the upside, everything is okay. But if the MA55 breaks like this super strong candle here, and the most important thing here, we don't see the close above the MA55 around 24, be careful, because that could be the first biggest warning, like Bitcoin finally is gonna enter in the first bear market in the history of this asset. Is too soon to say it? Yes, I need to see the first. I need to see Bitcoin closing below there. Just as I said before, based on the volatility in weekly chart, this is concerning for me. I don't want to be like you say, oh my god, this guy is extremely bearish. No, the problem is like ADX is positive here. Okay, as long as the ADX is positive here in weekly chart, I am not bullish and I am very, very careful. And the market is just for shorting. As long as we have this setup, I don't have any. I cannot say Bitcoin is gonna reverse pretty soon. I mean, I don't think so. Okay, so now the biggest warning right now in this video is the Bitcoin dominance. Remember what I said yesterday. If you see Bitcoin in downtrend and Bitcoin dominance breaking out, that is your big massive event you will have. And look at this. What happened, my friend? Bitcoin dominance is moving up. You see the weekly chart. This is gonna test the MA55 45. Any break, actually I'm expecting it's gonna break. You will see a massive spike like this when the arrow is very powerful, and you will see destruction in the market. Yeah, at least up to 50% for all the altcoins. Remember, I wanted to see this in a very healthy uptrend for Bitcoin, not downtrend. So be ready because if you are thinking this is over, no, my friend, this is just about to start. Okay, altcoins, they are crashing 40-50%, and even Bitcoin was holding 30,000. Now imagine what is gonna happen if Bitcoin breaks. Actually, now right now it's breaking. What is gonna happen for all the altcoins if Bitcoin breaks? Well, now it's happened, right? What is gonna happen with all of this? You will see all of them to zero, right? Yeah. So you are, as I said, you are new in the bear markets. Well, welcome. And finally, now you are losing money, and you bought some altcoins or something because you are thinking like, okay, I'm gonna hold for the next 5 years. As I said before, holders, you are gonna be tested. Okay, I am very bullish on weekly for Bitcoin dominance. Super bullish, extremely bullish. I will set ADX positive, and look at this. The volatility finally. I mean, it's blue, yes, but the ADX is getting positive here, so that means the next close, I mean, this week, you will see the expansion phase. So this is just the move of Bitcoin is just starting right now, today, just right now. So this is gonna start expanding, and you will see in the long term around 60 level in weekly basis. And also we have 1 year of contraction phase here. 1 year. This is my biggest alarm, and that is the most concerning thing chart I have. This is my biggest concern I have right now, because 1 year of consolidation in the lows, believe me, it's not good. It's not good for the markets. It's not good for Bitcoin, and you will see this asset trending to the upside. And in a downtrend, everything is gonna be destroyed. Okay. So okay, maybe it's time to start. It's time for panic. If you are in my private channels, in my group, I hope at least 90% of all of you are fine. I hope so. So okay, let's continue with the most bullish chart we have right now in the table. Is the USDT dominance. USDT dominance. Remember, impressive chart, breakout in macro time frames. This breakout is not just a breakout in weekly chart, it's a monthly breakout. As I said before, I said that in February we will see something like this. Well, I don't have a crystal ball, but very good, right? Very good. Okay, so using Nostradamus technical analysis, using Fibonacci levels, because it's not Nostradamus, usually you will see this asset like ABC or 1, 2, 3. Well, I hope no, because if we see 5 waves, it's gonna be impressive, and all the market will crash even more. So, but the target I am looking for right now using Fibonacci levels, because the sky is the limit right now here. Yeah, the sky is the limit. Around 8, 9, I am expecting a test around here, thinking like this is an ABC wave, a little bit in something like this. So usually when you see something like this, or you see that is a problem with LA waves, right? Or it could be wave 1, 2, and this is one the most powerful wave 3, and usually in macro time frames is 1.618, and extension with 2 level, or also 2 actually around this area, 4 and 5, right? So because I don't have a crystal ball, I don't know. The only thing I can tell you is, as long as this asset has the buy signal right now, volatility is expanding, ADX is positive, more pain to come. Okay, so we are very bullish here, and also OBV extremely healthy, very healthy. 1, 2, 3 spikes here with signals of choppiness. That means this asset finally is getting ready for trending, macro trend. So okay, I'm gonna answer one question. Someone asked me, okay, you are bullish on this in monthly, when is gonna finish? My friend, this buy signal was in January 2022. Yes, we know this. So how many months is valid a monthly buy signal? Simple, at least 1 year. So from this all 2022, part of 2023, you will see this, and you will see Bitcoin to 0. So I am very bullish on this, very bullish. Pullbacks, yes, potentially yes, but the problem, we don't have bear divergences. Let me see 1-day chart. We don't have bear divergences. So powerful, this, extremely powerful. Bitcoin is gonna start, we will see capitulation for Bitcoin and continuation to the downside eventually. Yeah, $27,000 right now here. Yes, this is super bullish. We don't have bear divergences, we have validation. Let me see the other time frames. 5-day chart, extremely bullish, expanding. And the problem with this 5-day chart, we don't have the red cloud here. Usually when I see the red cloud, that means to get climax and that is over, right? So, but no, we are still in yellow. So let me see the climax in 1-day chart. No, yellow. So we have a new dot here. So that means from here you can expect more upside here, and it's gonna be red. So more pain for all the market, because Bitcoin is just starting. Okay, so as you can see, I'm very happy. I mean, as a trader, I am very happy, very proud about myself, honestly, because so far one of the best technical analysis I am doing this in my career as a trader. So because, well, remember, right, because my technical analysis was here, right, in November 2021, and I really tried to warn people about these kind of things, but people just call me crazy. And here is when I was saying, using just price action, I am expecting Bitcoin is gonna be this a massive distribution pattern here according to OBV, and you will see, at least when you see Bitcoin breaking $30,000 in some point 2022, and you will see what is going to happen. Well, and you can watch my video, my prediction. That is very funny, because actually it was a joke, and that, I mean, not a joke, like the thumbnail for that video, I use a Nostradamus, yeah, like trying to predict the future, right? But based on probabilities and my experience in the markets, I was expecting something like this, right? So I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Okay, so let's continue. The next one is gonna be Luna. Luna is doing something very interesting here. Luna hit is actually, oh my God, sometimes I'm scared about this, but I said any close below 13, you will see 4. Any close below 4, you will see 0.15, 15 cents. Any close below 15 cents, you will see 0.20 or 0, technically 0. So if you are thinking to buy the dip here, because the dip, right, the dip, well, you can wait around 0, maybe 0.0001 around here. Maybe you can start thinking maybe to buy. No, I'm kidding. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is a very good lesson. Like people, especially people who are just too greedy, thinking this is going to the moon. I remember one guy, he said he was very proud because he bought here at $5. Luna. And he said, I don't care about market, I don't care, I'm gonna stake everything, I'm gonna stake UST, no problem, blah 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 blah. And after that, what happened? Okay. So about Luna, it's very risky trade. Be careful. You are scalping, totally valid, but shorts are the play here. Yeah, shorts are the play here. Very very risky. So careful. Okay, so let's talk about other altcoins. I said Ethereum, for example, 1,800 was my level. Now it's testing here, breaking the previous low here. On macro time frames, you will see 1,300, and the lowest point is around 500. If you see Bitcoin capitulating here, I mean capitulation, you will see $500 for Ethereum. Okay, 500. No, I mean no less, no more. I think between 450 to 500, you will see it. Okay. So please, if you are thinking to buy right now and holding, be patient. Be patient. Let's just, how can I say this? Learn how to wait. Okay? It's not about just buying. You need to buy in the right moment. Okay? I am very happy with my short right now. Let me see my short because I'm curious about it. I was gambling a little bit yesterday because I have a challenge account like with very small amount. And I was just having fun with Luna and this kind of thing, just gambling a little bit because in my main account I don't do it, of course not. But yeah, I mean, I will show this account maybe tomorrow or next week. The challenge was like I borrowed this account to one of my friends, and he was trading this account and he got wrecked and he lost around 80% all the capital, just $1,000, a little bit. And my challenge was I recovered everything, right? And I did it after 1 month, but I will show you later this. Okay, so for Ethereum, same thing. Any close below, well, no, actually no, it's gonna break. ADX is positive here. Yeah, breaking this area to 1,200 is the next level, but honestly, I'm expecting from 600 to 500 around there. You will see the lowest point. Now let's see Bitcoin, because actually Bitcoin is impressive, very good. Bitcoin, very good. Let me see what people they can see right now. If I can tell you right now, ADX positive here, losing momentum here. Yeah, no, this is just Bitcoin to zero, right? Yeah, I remember someone asked me about the 5-day chart because we have the MA200 here and it's gonna hold. No. This is gonna break. You are entering long here right now because you are expecting this moving average is gonna hold. You will have to wait 1 week. So that means today you will see the leg down here, and maybe in 5 days you will see just the close, the body, the close, and you will see the wick like this. So it's a little bit, it's not smart trying to long here right now. This is looking more like capitulation. Okay, so let's continue with other coins. Target hits. All my targets, I'm very happy. All my targets hit. My long-term targets, 240, perfect BNB. Cake, I said $2. If you see this well, it's still in progress. Yeah, $2 is gonna hit around here. You see, there is my box around there. Dot around $5, I think $5 is gonna hit. Yeah, maybe today we will see it. Link, I'm expecting $4 for Link around here, $4, and you will see today maybe. Litecoin, well, Litecoin I didn't check Litecoin, but let me see. Litecoin around 40 is the level I'm gonna start looking for. Let me see, Rose to 0. Yeah, 0. Let me see Solana, congratulations. If you cash out around $100, very good, you did very good, because the next target was 40. If Bitcoin is capitulating right now, because looks like it's capitulating, you will $40 will not hold. You will see around $20 is gonna be the lowest point. If something worse happen and $20 breaks, well, you know what happened with Luna, right? This is going to 0. I mean, the next point is around 11, and the last one is 3. So I don't want to see this for Luna, because Luna, I really like Luna. I like Luna. So, but never mind. Okay, so let's continue with Total 2. Total 2, remember my target was, yeah, this one in weekly chart is around 600, 500. Yep, any close here? No, actually it's gonna break. I think it's gonna break because we don't have time. The problem, my friend, is this just starting. This is just starting this week. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, breaking this level 600, you will see around 360. Let me see the monthly. The monthly, yeah, for 500, maybe a potential bounce there. Maybe, but from this point and this point, many things could happen. Okay, so just wait and enjoy. Actually, you are in this is your first bear market. Learn and study and be careful next time. Mm-hmm. How destructive they can be. Mm-hmm. Okay, so MA55 in monthly is gonna be tested soon. Yes, technically speaking, in the monthly is technically the bottom. Maybe yes. So $3. We are just $3 far away. Okay, $3 for the monthly. The problem is is May 12th. This is not good because just I am using my imagination. Okay, my imagination, please. This is not technical analysis, just my imagination. What could happen if the monthly close below the MA55? I don't want to imagine. Okay, Axe Infinite, I said around $10. Is still in progress. Very good. Very good. If you have any requests, please let me know. Okay. Okay, let's see a few more altcoins, and after that, let's talk about the stocks. Okay, stocks. I think SP500 is doing something interesting. Let me see. Yeah, the USD dollar here. Let me tell you something. Some people, even in my group, said this is going to zero when it was at 0.20. I bought this USD around 0.70, so around here. And the reason I bought is because I saw a very good opportunity, right? But the problem is my exchange. The exchange I am using, they freeze the account. The pair, and I cannot trade any more USD. So yesterday I was on the water here around 0.20. But I know the game, so the game is like this, right? People are selling in panic, massive losses, and after that, this is gonna bounce. I will say right now here, this asset, in some point, when Luna is reaching almost zero, I am expecting this asset reaching at least 0.90 again, at least. Yeah, at least. Okay, so let's continue with let's continue with some stocks. Okay, if you have any requests, please let me know in the comments. Okay, SP500, where's SP500? Here. Well, now 3,950 was my target. Actually, it was my target now. Let me see the weekly chart, because weekly chart are more relevant right now. Yeah, around 3,800 is gonna be the area. If this area breaks, my friend, be ready, because you will see not capitulation, but you will see a massive move to the downside around 3,400. Yeah, around this area in weekly basis here. Yeah, the idea is very simple. The idea is very simple for me. Okay, all the companies who made a lot of money here, they are gonna get fucked. That is the idea. Okay, that is the idea. So if that is gonna happen, if that it could happen, sorry, you will see maybe a bounce here, but potentially the biggest area the area I want to start looking for is around here, around 3,000. Okay, but let's see first, level by level. I am not rushing, but that is the idea. Okay, so here we have a very strong ADX above 23. This move is destructive, so be ready for more downside. Let me see the 1-day chart in SP500. Continuation to the downside, of course. Let me see here. Here, ADX positive here, crossing 23 level. No, this is gonna break down. Definitely, this is gonna break down. Yeah. What I can say. EGLD. Okay. Here. Okay. Let me see the weekly chart. There is no support here. I mean, you can expect a small bounce around here, but based on the volume and confluence, maybe a bounce, yes, but any close below here, and I think it's gonna break. If Bitcoin is breaking everything, you cannot expect this area is gonna hold, and you will see this like this around maybe 28, 30. That's why, my friends, please wait, calm down, enjoy the party. Yeah, we were ready for this. We were waiting for this. We are ready for this. At least all the people who are in my private channels, I think so. Just wait, okay? Just wait and study, because this is the best time for studying. And let me tell you something: if you are not getting wrecked in this moment, you are flat, you are even, or even you are making money. Congratulations, believe me, congratulations, because if you are making money right now in the bear market, that means there is a very high probability in the next bull market your performance is going to be very good. Okay, so let's continue. Other assets. Yeah, Facebook is doing something very interesting. A big warning for my friends who are all in this. I mean, in my case, I didn't buy more. I bought the first time I bought around 800, and I sold around here around 240. Yeah, but big warning for this. Okay, because looks like Facebook is getting ready for other leg down. The reason for this is because the slope for OBB is getting positive here, and if I am right with SP500, there is a very high probability you will see 180 breaking. That means you will see around 140, and the lowest points around 120. But be careful with Facebook you are holding. As I said, if you are long-term investor, you are investor. I mean, you are thinking about maybe 3, 4, 5 years. Well, the idea is like you start buying little by little, right? But as I said, I would suggest wait for when the market is doing something like this, don't buy. When the market is doing this, and also doesn't matter what kind of system you are following, when your system is telling you buy, and after that you are ready to go. Okay, so let's continue with other coins. For example, Netflix. Let me see. Netflix continuation monthly. Yes, still in progress. 122 is my target for Netflix. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I'm curious about Shiba. What happened? Yeah, Shiba points 600 satoshis, or 0.00660. I think almost zero, around here. Yeah, almost zero. I would like to see million. Finally, if I wonder if million token reach my target, $2, right? Million. What is million? Very close. I am very close. Let me see. Yeah, hit finally after 1 year, my friends. After 1 year. Yeah, 1 year. $2 hit. $2 hit for million. Next level, 0. Okay, let me see here. Very heavy downtrend. I mean, this is garbage. Volatility expanding, contraction phase, losing the OBB. Yeah, around $1, maybe $1, very close to $1. I am expecting something like that. And someone very famous will say, it's because it's the bear market. No, my friend, no, it's not because of that. Someone bought $1 million house, right? At least he can say thank you to all the people. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, Baba, well, same thing. Well, I don't know what to say. I mean, I think I'm done with my technical analysis. If you have any questions, please let me know. Gold. Okay, let me see gold. Let me see here. As long as it's holding 168, 165, 65 around here, it's okay. In weekly chart, you will have to wait at least maybe all this month, and the next buy signal, this is like this. Now, okay, let me explain something about this. The reason why gold, for example, many people, wealthy people, they are buying gold and metals is because the volatility. If you see Netflix and Facebook, all of them, they are crashing 50%, 60%. Now Bitcoin is crashing, but how many percent gold? Just 6%. You see, that's why they are buying metals because they want to protect at least. Of course, they will lose a little bit, but they will not lose like 50% if they vote, for example, I don't know, Netflix. Okay, that is the thing. With gold and silver, you will not be millionaire, but you will at least you will be protected because the volatility is very low. Okay, that is the idea. Okay, so yeah, we have sell signal right now in weekly chart, but it's holding and it's flat. So I will say, as long as holding the M55 and this area, I am not concerned about it. Let me see the monthly. Yeah, it looks like other test to 1,800 around there, and the lowest point maybe 1,700. But even with that, just think about this. Here, it's just 10%. Yeah, I think we can afford losing just 10% instead of 50%, right? Or 95% like Luna, right? So that is the big, that is the thing why wealthy people, when in bear markets, they like to buy metals and these kind of things because they are more stable. Okay, my friends, let me see if you have more questions. Let me see other thing. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you for your support. Let me see. Uchi, I was short in Luna, but I got to stop. I was short in Luna around $11, but a massive week just took my stop, and okay, I couldn't ride because my plan was shorting to the hell, right? But bad luck. It's when I was a little bit like gambling with this my small account, but never mind. Okay, so let's continue with other coins. I think everything's in red. Everything is in red, so be careful, my friends. Be careful, because everything is crashing and it's gonna crash even more. Continuation monthly. The last hold was 0.95 in 1 inch. Zero. The next area, of course, the monthly, right? Let me see here, the weekly chart. Well, last hold 0.75. Below there, around 0.20, 0.26. Cardano, okay, I said that before. Okay, zero. Ape, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. I can tell you. Just I said to you yesterday, if $10 breaks, you will see something like this, right? And they will start blaming, right? Always someone is guilty, right? In this case, people will start blaming Luna, right? It's because Luna, everything is crashing. No, my friend, it's not because of that. No. Okay, so let me see. In the short term, I am not financial advisor, but I will suggest don't trade. We are in a capitulation phase, my friend. So it's not smart entering the long right now. In any case, you can follow the trend. I mean, short, right? And just protect your entry if you want. But for me, it's very risky. Amazon, okay. Amazon to the ground. Okay, yeah, 185. Not sorry, 1,850 around here. This area I'm gonna start looking for maybe a potential bounce there. Yes, around 1,800. That is the area I'm gonna start looking for. Let me 1 moment here. Yeah, around this area. Usually market makers, they like to play here, and also they like to test the bottom of the range. So I wouldn't be surprised if eventually you will see other breakdown in the long term around 1,400. But as long this area is holding, I know it's big, yes, but as investor, maybe potentially here it could be the area like many some investor will start looking for investments. Let me see the monthly here. Monthly, yeah, 1,800 is the area I'm gonna start looking for, and the lowest point is 1,400. Any close below 1,400 in monthly basis, you will see the hell for this. Okay, so Tesla, no, he's not broke at all. He sold everything in November 2021. Yeah, I think he was watching my live stream. I think so. No, I'm kidding. Okay, monthly. It's very easy. If this month you see Tesla below 750, next month you will see around 500 Tesla. Let me see here the weekly chart. Breaking Not yet. I mean, I cannot change the trend right now here. Not yet. As long as 700 is holding here, I cannot change the trend. Okay, this is just potentially just sideways market. Any close below 700, yes, you will see a reversal here, and the next target is 500, 400 around there, but not yet. Not yet. Let me see. I wanna see other stocks. Let me see Microsoft. I wonder what happened with Microsoft. To the moon, right? No. Last time when I did this technical analysis was, I don't know, but my target is around 200, and little by little it's going right. Yeah, it's working. Yeah. So okay, yeah. Breaking the previous high here, the previous low, sorry, in weekly chart. Yeah, 200. Let me see the monthly. The monthly, maybe I can see something different. Monthly, any close? Yeah, any close this month, at least 1 week. If I say 1 week, this week for example, you see the close below 260 for Microsoft. Next, in the long term, you will see around 200 tested. Okay, so I think I'm done. I'm done for today. Let me see. Yeah, Abyss Luna. Yeah, let's just watch a little bit Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is doing something very good actually. Impressive. But as I said before, the most concerning thing here for me, and is new, that is the problem, is new, because it's the first time I see these kind of things. This setup in the lows for Bitcoin dominance, I have a nightmare. I'm kidding, but this is very concerning for me. This is very concerning for me. I have a bad, like, how can I say this, feeling. This is normal. The last year, in 2018-17, just was 6 months, and here 1 year, a little bit more. This is very concerning, and also in monthly chart we have a buy signal here, ADX negative here. This asset, Bitcoin dominance, is gonna do this year. Okay, so I mean, I told you. Okay, my friends, if you have any requests, please let me know. In the comments, you want to see other. I think I check all the market. For example, Dogecoin, right? What happened with Dogecoin? Yeah, continuation. At least maybe a 1.03, some confluence here, around here, but it's not gonna hold forever here. And if this area breaks, you will see further trace to 0.003. And weekly chart here. Let me see. Yeah, here. This is the last hope for Doge. If you want to buy memes, well, this is the last hope for this meme. Okay. Yeah, I'm covering all the altcoins, because believe me, you have no idea. Yesterday I got around 50 messages. 50 people. I have no idea who are they. They were asking me, and even I had headache yesterday because too many questions. Okay, so I think what I can tell you. Yeah. We have 10 minutes left. Okay, let's study a little bit more. Here we have the weekly chart. Okay, you know this. Okay, let me show you here other indicator here. We are using sometimes RSI, and also let me show you the first RSI. I'm gonna put the RSI here. Wait, let me clean the chart here. Okay, new chart, perfect. So let me add a new indicator here. Yeah, RSI. Yes, and also the key VO. This is the first time I'm gonna show this indicator here. Yeah, here. Okay, so why I'm using this? Well, this is the volume. Is the volume, but the idea is very easy. In monthly, when I'm using this one, because when this indicator I can check the volume. It's accumulation or distribution. Okay, so when you see the red volume here, that means you can expect downside or sideways. So Bitcoin from 2019 and 2020, as you can see, wasn't sideways, right? So Bitcoin is losing all the momentum here, And as you can see, we have bear divergences here actually in volume. Mm-hmm. Yeah, as you can see here, we have bear divergence in RSI, and also is losing the exponential here. And well, you can imply this asset, that means Bitcoin, is gonna test this area. Any break, any close the next month below this. This is a secondary chart, of course. It's one of my systems, because in my career I built many systems, but this is one of the systems I use it for a couple years. So here, any close below here, you will see well, the winter, right? The winter, like you can expect more pain, or at least sideways. So I will say right now, Bitcoin is still in positive, it's still in green, yes, but I think any close this month below well, $30,000, any close below there, you will see the hell. Now, in RSI, I said following the rules of RSI, my rules, of course, is trading below 50 is we are in a bear market. Okay, here this is a bear market. Average time is around 6 months. So we are in the first month right now. So that's why I said, you are thinking this is over. No, my friend, this is not over. We are just about to start. So Bitcoin is breaking the range now. Here you will see this, and after that potentially a bounce, of course, but sideways for many months. And pray like key levels they are not breaking, yeah, because if key levels they are breaking in monthly, for they break in monthly, well, many coins will not survive. So that is the idea I wanted to share with you, yeah, with a secondary chart. And let me show you the weekly chart. The weekly chart with KBO, well, since when we are in red, similar as OBB, yeah, well, when here. So based on psychology of trading, all of these market makers, they were lying to us, yeah, all retailers, okay. You can say, okay, OBB, or in this case KBO, is red, negative. Bitcoin is moving to the upside, massive bull trap in progress. And retailers, the next gym 100x, right, in the title on YouTube, right? Yeah. So here, no thank you, this is not with me, because I know this is potentially what, a massive bull trap. And now, as you can see here, we are still in we are in this technically bear market in volume for Bitcoin. So what I can tell you, same thing, for example, here, if we have other example, yeah, we have here this example here in 2018 17, when Bitcoin broke here the zero line here, Bitcoin was at $16,000, 17, and after that sideways, and after that capitulation, right? So, and here people were saying Bitcoin to the moon, right? Bitcoin to $6,000 from here to the moon, and after that to the ground, right? So that's why it's very important. Or for me, is one of the key things I see in the charts is always volume. Because market makers, they can lie to us using manipulating the price, yeah, but they cannot manipulate the volume. It's not that easy. It's gonna be very expensive for them. I'm curious about Luna. Let me see what happened with the volume with Luna. Okay, 0. You see, but this is real. 0. Yeah, okay. So, well, I think I'm done for today, my friends. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, and just be careful with Bitcoin, of course, because looks like this is more like a capitulation, yeah, in progress. So it's not smart. If you're gonna trade this, just careful, manage your risk, because follow the trend. Okay. Because even in 4-hour chart, we don't have anything right now here. Let me show you here. We have ADX. I mean, it's not as strong as before, but OBB is very clear, breaking the previous low here. We don't have bullish divergence, not yet. No, we don't have confirmation. And also the most concerning thing here, we don't have bullish divergence in 1-day chart, as you can see here, and ADX is very strong. So this is like, it's looking more like capitulation. Okay. Okay, my friends, I think that's it. I'm done for today. Thank you for watching, and see you at mid-20s tomorrow. Okay. See you.
You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero.